I'm using After Effects beta version 25.1. So I'm going to drag a video to my project files, then drag it into the Create New Composition icon. I'm going to double-click on the clip to open a layer. Then I'm going to grab the Rotoscope brush and start selecting the object to rotoscope. You can see the result on the composition window on the left. In the Effect Controls panel, I'm going to make sure that I've got the latest version selected. I'm also going to reduce the feather value to 2. In the Rotoscope menu, I'm going to select the Refine Edge tool and brush the edges of my subject. This tool is very useful for parts that are difficult to track, like hair, for example, although I see no downside in applying it to all the edges. When I'm done rotoscoping my subject with the brush, I'm going to press play or hit the spacebar to apply the rotoscope. This is represented by the green progress bar. Once it's done, I'm going to apply freeze to finalize the rotoscope. Freeze is represented by the lilac color. Freeze means that no further rotoscoping edits can be done unless I unfreeze the clip. I'm going to create a solid layer for a quick green screen. I can use other formats like PNG sequence, for example, but I'm going to stick to the MP4 format. I'm going to add the composition to the render queue. I will then make the following adjustments. And then I'm going to click Render. I'm going to composite this clip in Premiere Pro along with the background clip that I generated in Kling AI. I want to show you the new generative extend in Premiere Pro, so follow me there. The link is in the description.